Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing your iPhone clips into Premiere Pro and organizing them. You want clean input. First, import through Media Browser to avoid metadata loss, and make proxies at 720p or 1/2 resolution so playback is smooth. Once done, create a sequence that matches frame size and codec, not just frame rate. This prevents automatic scaling issues. Make sure to keep originals offline proofed in a folder. You're setting the foundation, so every step later behaves predictably. Next, you tackle motion, color, and sound because these are major quality levers. Apply warp stabilizer and start around 50% smoothness, then adjust crop and method until motion looks natural. Once stabilized, open Lumetri to fix exposure and white balance. You're aiming for consistent highlights and skin tones, then add a LUT at low intensity to preserve detail. For audio, normalize peaks to about -3 dB, apply denoise, and use a 100 to 300 Hz high pass to clean rumble. These steps transform rough clips into usable footage. Now finalize and export while guarding quality. Choose H. 264, match source with high bitrate, and set target bitrate around 12 to 20 Mbps for 1080p, use VBR2 pass for consistent data. If you converted frame rates, enable optical flow for smoother interpolation. Once exported, verify on target device. If colors look off, render at maximum depth and test a short 10 to 20 second clip to confirm fixes. If problems persist, clear cache and re-render the affected sequence. That usually resolves odd artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.